Hello everyone, this is Sachin Sawant, your UK immigration lawyer. Today I am going to talk about the question that I have been asked many times during consultations when I am advising clients, even on inquiries, emails, etc. How long can I stay in the UK on a visitor visa? Sometimes people have 2-year visitor visa, 5-year visitor visa, 10-year visitor visa. Sometimes people who are non-visa nationals, they just enter the UK without a visa. So what is the exact number of days or number of months that they are allowed to stay in the UK? So I'll just simply explain that. Visitors, they come under Appendix V, Appendix Visitor. Either it is a business visitor visa or individuals is a visitor visa, whether you're coming for tourism or just general visit, meeting, visiting family, or business reasons, you want to attend meetings, you want to maybe review or audit, you are working for a firm, you are visiting your another linked entity in the UK, or you are coming and advising or trying to do some troubleshooting, etc. There are many business reasons, every business is different. So if you are coming as a business visitor or as a personal visitor, the rules are of the time of visit. How long can I stay in the UK? So the question is, how long can I stay? So how long can you stay in the UK? Anytime you enter, you are given 6 months leave to enter. So if you come with a visa, you can stay up to 6 months, or your visa expiry date, whichever is earlier. So earlier of So if you enter on 15th of May, your visa expires on, let's say, 30th of July. Then you are required latest to leave the UK by 30th July because it is before the 6 months. If your visa is valid beyond the 6 months, so let's say it's valid up to next year, you have 1 year or a full 6 months. So then you can stay in the UK up to 6 months, which is to enter the UK on 15th of May, that is today, 15th May 2023. You can stay here. You have to exit the UK latest by 14/11/2023, 14 November. So you just add 6 months to that, from 15th to 14th. And so that is the general rule. And if you are a non-visa national, so now I'll just go to non-visa nationals. Let's say if you are a European national, you're from the US, Australia, etc. You don't need a visa to come to the UK, you just carry your passport and enter. In that case also the same rule applies. You are given a maximum stay of 6 months from the date of your entry. So it's 6 months permission to stay or leave to enter. Previously it was called as leave to enter, nowadays they call it permission to stay. So even if you are using the e-gate, you are just touching your passport on the gate and the gate opens, you come in, it is deemed that from that day you are granted 6 months leave to enter the UK. And that's it. So this is all about the term of stay in the UK. It doesn't matter whether you're non-visa national, visa national, whether you have a visitor visa which expires, which is valid for 10 years or 5 years, etc. At any time you enter the UK, you are given a maximum of 6 months. And many times I've seen people confuse this with the Schengen visa areas. I think in Schengen area it is 90 days is the amount of stay you are allowed once you enter in any Schengen country. I think that is how I understand it. So, but in the UK it is 180 days or 6 months. That's how you can put it. So you're allowed to stay in the UK up to a maximum of 6 months. And if you do like this video, do like it, subscribe to our channel. And if you want specific advice on any of these matters, on your entry, on any business visit, etc., any specific aspect you want to touch on, short visit, long visit, how to manage it, if you have overstayed any of your visits, how to deal with that, etc., do book a consultation with us. The links will be under the video. Thank you very much.